Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are hale and hearty and preparing for your MA English exams. Today, I am here with the summary of the short story Birthday by Mohammed Bashir of MEG 14. You will find the summary really very easy, so stay tuned till the end. We shall begin now. Birthday is the most important story of MEG 14. It is a short story written by Mohammed Bashir in Malayalam and translated in English by him later. About Mohammed Bashir. He was an Indian writer born in 1918 and died in 1994. His wife's name was Fatima Bashir. He was freedom fighter, activist, writer, novelist of Malayalam language and Malayalam literature. Some of his famous works were Hunger, Love Letter, Birthday, Voices, The Magic Cat, Childhood Friend. Some of the famous awards he got were Sahitya Academy Fellowship, Padma Shri, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award and Kerala Sahitya Academy Fellowship. He belonged to a Muslim family and influenced and inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. He always tried to follow Mahatma Gandhi's principles and he was noted for his path breaking, down to earth style of writing that made him equally popular among the literary critics as well as the common man. His father's name was Kai Abdur Rahman and his mother's name was Kanja Thumma. He was having two children. He followed Swadeshi ideals of Mahatma Gandhi and wore khadar and also participated in Voicom Satyagraha. In Voicom, Muhammad wanted to meet and see Mahatma Gandhi, and somehow he finally managed to touch his hand. It was the memorable moment for Bashir. He had also written in some of his novels about this lovely incident. Now we shall begin with the summary of the short story. Birthday. It is the story of the day of Athar's birthday. It was written by Bashir in the form of diary. In this story, Athar is talking about himself as this is the autobiographical short story. Bashir is the protagonist of this story. He has depicted his birthday in this story. He was a freedom fighter and genius artist, but he was really very poor that he was unable to manage for his food even. It was his birthday and in the very morning he got scolded by his landlord for not paying the rent on time. Because of poverty and lots of other responsibilities, he had to pay some other bills and debts also. He had to pay hotel bills and after got scolded by landlord, he got hungry and reached a hotel. But the hotel owner also refused to serve him with food as he had not paid earlier amount for the food. Besides this, there were a lot of other problems which he faced on his birthday. He was a freedom fighter, so some CID and police officers were also keeping an eye on him during the day. He was also interrogated by deputy commissioner, although he was investigated earlier on other days, but he didn't like to be interrogated on the bond day. He faced lots of adversities this day but didn't lose hope. One of his friend had promised him earlier to take Bashir to lunch on that day, so he reached his friend's home to have a treat. But there he found that his friend had forgotten his birthday and left for the station. He sat at his place for some time, but no one, not even the tea was served, despite every other member of the family was drinking tea. He felt disheartening and depressed. After this, even he was confident and optimistic and didn't lose hope. In the end, he met a laborer child who paid Bashir's 1 month salary so that he could eat something. Athar was really impressed by the child's kindness and humanity and honesty as well. He became more positive by saying this. He learnt that child he learned from that child to never felt like defeated or hopeless. Narrator spread the positive message in the end that no one should feel demotivated by ups and downs of life. At the end of the day, something better happens every time. and life is full of happiness always. So it was a brief summary of the short story by Muhammad Bashir. I believe that this video will be helpful for you all. Stay tuned for more video updates. Please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.